Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this scar tutorial for you guys, and I am wearing this scar with pirate look, and if you'd like to see the pirate look, you can go to the video linked down below and watch the pirate look. So to start the scar off, I'm going to use a lip pencil. It's just kind of a pinkish color. You could use literally any like pinkish nude color that you want. This one's like a little more red, and then I blend it out so that it's not super harsh, which I think is important. You want to blend it, otherwise it's going to be like very red underneath. I just wanted to pause and say that you're going to get the greatest effect out of this rigid collodion if you put the liquid on a place that kind of has skin that is like fattier than other places. Like your forehead is going to create less of a scar than like your cheek, because your cheek has like more skin, if that makes sense. So also, if you put it in a place that moves a lot, you should be careful because it can start to peel and kind of come up. For example, if you want to put one on your lip, they look really cool, but you do talk and you move your mouth and whatever. And so I've found that it tends to come off a little bit easier if you put it on your lip. So put it on a place that doesn't move as much, but kind of has a good amount of skin so that when it pulls it tight, it really kind of creates that dent. Okay, back to the video. Now you're going to take your rigid collodion. This is from Mehron, and basically how this works is it has acetone in it. So when you put it on your skin, the acetone evaporates and your skin tightens where you put it. So you can add layers on top of layers to create this scar look. I do want to mention though that you really do need to do your research on how to remove the rigid collodion, otherwise you can end up with an actual scar on your face. I'm probably not gonna go into that in this video, but I will just say do not just rip it off. That is all I'm gonna say. Do your research. There are ways to remove this, and you need to look into that before you put it on your face. Anyway, so it's really simple. Like you can just see, I'm going in, doing more layers. I kind of added a longer part at the top. I did about 7 layers, and just know that the more layers you do, the harder it is going to be to remove. But if you take your time and you're patient, it shouldn't be too bad. So in the end, you get this really amazing looking scar. I think it looks so real, and it really is so easy to do. And if you want to see how I do the makeup on top of it, then you can go ahead and watch the other video where I do the pirate tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.